In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check Charles Schwab account number. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what to look for so you can quickly find your account number when you need it. First, let's use the website, which is the fastest and most reliable route. Open a secure browser and go to the official Charles Schwab website. Sign into your account as you normally would. Once you're in, look for the main navigation and click on Accounts. This takes you to a list of your Schwab accounts. Choose the specific account you want to identify. On that accounts page, you'll see an overview of your investments and holdings. In that investment area, find and click the More option. Schwab sometimes places this as a small link or an overflow menu, so scan near the top or upper right area of the account details. After you click More, your account number will appear at the top of the page. It's typically 8 digits and often displayed with a dash in the middle. If you have multiple accounts, double-check you've selected the correct one by confirming the account type or nickname before you copy the number. For security, avoid screenshots on shared devices and make sure you log out when you're done. If you prefer a view that also shows banking details for transfers and deposits, there's another built-in option. While still signed in, go to the Move Money section in the site's navigation. From there, choose Routing Numbers and Direct Deposit. You'll be prompted to select the account you want. After you pick it, you'll see your full account number alongside the routing number. This view is especially helpful if you're setting up direct deposit from an employer or arranging an ACH transfer, because it provides exactly what those forms typically request. Take your time to read each digit carefully and consider copying it directly rather than retyping to avoid errors. Remember, your routing number identifies the financial institution, while your account number identifies your specific account. A few quick best practices before we wrap up. Always confirm you're on the official site by checking the URL and the browser's security indicators. Avoid public Wi-Fi when accessing financial accounts, and keep your information private. If the page takes a moment to load, wait for the details to populate rather than refreshing repeatedly. That's it. Use the accounts page with the More option to see the number right at the top, or go to Move Money, then Routing Numbers and Direct Deposit for the full account and routing details. Sign out when finished and you're all set.